Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best tire traction mats that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have TRACGRABBER Tire Traction Device. The Track Grabber Strap and Rescue, around $60, are available in sets of 2 or 4 and in options sized for sedans and small SUVs, trucks and large SUVs, or oversized vehicles. So whatever you drive, there is something perfectly tailored to your needs. These tire traction straps help your slipping tires get unstuck from poor traction situations such as snow, ice, sand, or mud. A perfect car emergency kit item for winter weather and a must-have device for hunters and outdoor adventurists. Moving on at number 4, we have Wawa Auto Foldable Auto Traction Mat. The hinges of the Wawa Auto Foldable conveniently allow you to adjust the angle of each segment, so you can mold them to the terrain beneath your vehicle. They weigh just 1 pound apiece, making them easy to carry with you anywhere. The mats are all year, all weather use can be used winter in the snow, and summer in the mud. If you use it once, you'll never travel without it. This car escape traction mat provides emergency traction for your auto tires, gets the car out of snow, ice, mud, or sand. It is designed with a hexagonal honeycomb for superior traction and increased friction. At number 3, we have Off-Roading Gear Max Grip Tire Traction. These Max Grip traction pads from Off-Roading Gear provide you the ultimate grip in snow, mud, sand, ice, or nearly any other condition. With Off-Roading Gear's unique, bolted design, our traction pads provide more grip than nearly any other competitor on the market. Each of the 89 heavy-duty polypropylene bolts is designed to provide maximum grip under nearly any slippery surface. For use on nearly any vehicle with 3 tons of capacity, you can use your Max Grip traction pads on nearly any vehicle including trucks, SUVs, cars, Jeeps, and more. Easy to use and quick recovery. Each Max Grip traction pad is extremely easy to use and will help to recover your vehicle in just minutes. Just place the edges of your Max Grip traction pad firmly under each of your front 2 tires, gently press the accelerator, and watch in amazement as your Max Grip pads provide the traction needed to be released free. At number 2, we have JOJOMARK Tire Traction Mat. Each block measures 39.3 L by 10.8 W, can be used as tire chains, snow chains. Provides emergency traction for your tires in snow, ice, mud, and sand. Works on all vehicles with summer, winter, or all-season tires. A good choice for sedans and other small vehicles that may not have space for large tracks. The JoJoMark JM01TC, around $80, can be rolled or folded up when not in use. At 39 inches long by 10.8 inches wide, they should be enough to get most cars unstuck. And finally at number 1, EZUNSTUCK Tire Traction Mat. The tooth-like metal plate reaches a length of 14 inches, 36 centimeters, and so it can help increase extra friction between the spinning tire and the road surface to gain effective traction force, and finally help the driver to get unstuck when bad luck happens. Being made of thick steel means it can withstand even more severe challenges than plastic or aluminum-made products. Travel far with confidence. Though a departure from the traditional items in this category, the Easy Unstuck D02LX, around $239, serves the same purpose and is significantly more convenient to store when not in use, as their compact form takes up very little space. That being said, they are notably expensive. Thank you for watching guys. I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.